Hello guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
For Facebook, wahala for them, we no do blanco. For Facebook, wahala for those people, wahala for those people, wahala for those people. See, if you don't call me, let me just do like 30 minutes live video on this app. This foundation is actually very dark on my face. I have to change. I have to like go for a lighter color, but it's fine for this live video. Wait till the year, Mama Nora. Mama Nora say na prank. Oh, he say na prank. After this live video, I'm going to post a video for you guys. Okay, a video that was sent to me, a video that was sent to me 3 days ago. There is this video that was sent to me 3 days ago, but I was like, I beg, you understand? How can you be depressed? Like, wait till you give you the job. You know, who they say kaya matter for you? Who be your kaya matter plug? You know, who be your kaya matter plug? I need kaya matter plug. Right? I need people to say, oh, this foundation is very dark on my face. I hope they understand why they tell me say dark. Yes, I understand. So I go. Who be any? Who they say kaya matter for Enyoge? Which can kaya matter Enyoge say hold this girl? Mama Nora said the thing na prank. Waiting me. Waiting me, Perry Golden day your live video. So shall walk inside your house. See, you can't ask, shall say, were you the people that came 3 days ago? You can't tell you say no. Na her colleague na ain't come. Vous rigolez avec moi ou pas? J'ai pas compris. When they laugh me, when they ask, what's when they talk? What's when they try? What you do?
I love
You're
you.
very stupid though.
Everybody.
You're quite awesome. What is Enyoge giving you? Let me tell you something. The fast you walk out from that relationship that you're claiming that you're in, the fast you walk out from that relationship, the better for you. So that relationship will everybody. The better, like the faster you walk out from that relationship, the better for you, Sophia.
Because I know they see you now for there.
Like,
I don't see
seriously.
anything for there. And they see her for the other phone.
I expected you to come
All
say
right.
it was a prank. That was what I expected you to come and do. I don't expect anything less from you.
I agree to now.
You see my live video?
Morning,
I said you were going to come out and I said that it's a prank. Because I see you as this woman
you.
who is very desperate. Your desperation is in the other level.
Help me to share.
You know me. I know when you're joking.
May we talk about
you people saw when Sophia was when I did prank with Sophia. She never showed her face.
I know they
talk less of coming
to
cry on live video.
Because I connected with you too.
She did not show her face. Let me give you guys a simple example that was not a prank.
I know they see anything for this
when she was doing prank with me, did she show her face? Sophia is someone. Prank with tears. Prank with frustration on your face. Prank with a lot of depression surrounding you. Prank with heartbroken.
So my people, get waiting we want to talk about.
We know you are depressed. Looking at you, at your face, the way you came out on live video, the way you act sometimes, we know that you're not okay with your relationship. You don't even have to tell us. We know that you are not okay with your relationship.
I know they see anything so.
Listen, you people should listen to me. Listen to me. When Sophia was doing prank with me, did she show her face when she was insulting me? You see, Mama Nora, I know her. I don't play with her. I don't fight with her. And I believe that she know me too. I know her. I don't play with Mama Nora. I don't play with Mama Nora, Sophia. I don't fight with her.
Anybody there for you?
And I don't play prank with her. And if she come outside, when she because she hide her face, she know they show her face. No, yes, she hide her face.
And they look out for
Listen,
this.
guys, listen to me. I don't have much time to waste because
Am I on YouTube?
call me. I'm not feeling fine actually.
Maybe not
I'm not
YouTube,
okay.
then.
My leg dislocated, so I'm feeling pains in my leg. As you can see, I'm still visiting the hospital. I'll visit the hospital tomorrow.
Are you seeing me on
YouTube? I have to like address this issue. You can't be depressed and you're fighting. You can't be depressed and you're trying to cover up your depression. No. They don't cover up depression. Once you speak out, you are free from it. You have to speak out.
And I don't know whether anything there for
that's the way they say it in your mind. So you have to open your mouth and speak it out. Then depression will leave you by then. But once the fact is that you're covering your depression, it will eat you up, it will consume you. You know when you the going to say there is depressed,
anybody there wait
I look
for
you and laugh
Netherlands
because you don't know what it means to
when
be my baby. Forget it. I go slide into your DM. We'll talk. How they go turn? Within happen for my tukurukuru eye. You are calling it prank.
This
like seriously
document.
Let me
children not get. I want really
Sophia is that person.
I want really ask.
She's a very shy person. You understand? Let me tell you guys something about Sophia that I learned from her family members. Is that she's a very shy person. A very respectful person. But Sophia changed since the very first day, the day she met Enyoge, her life changed. Sophia's statement was that I started to do live video because Enyoge they make money for live video. I have the record.
If some people there where they
talk without proof.
Please, may we discuss about this thing. I don't say now Europe now everybody there, most of us now we there.
I don't come on live video to lie and I don't talk without proof. This is me. When I'm telling you something, sit down and listen to me and note it down. That Perry said this.
If
they said that Sophia, they said that Sophia is a very intelligent person. Sophia was a cool girl, a nice girl.
Passport. I want to know.
They said Enyoge is her problem.
Passport. I want to know.
And Sophia made a statement that I did do. Enyoge tell me say live video they pay am better money.
Children not get.
Now make I dey do live video.
Myself say.
That was what Sophia said, and I have
the
voice record of she saying it. It was sent to me. I have a lot of
if anybody there for Netherlands for years, please just call, explain.
You can't tell me it's a prank. I am not a fool.
About this,
ask people about Perry.
Passport of it.
I work with
European passport.
I work with social.
Because now not say
the fact that I choose
Euro
to be a nurse
because now all
does not mean
country.
I don't work with
There's
social.
some Euro country.
There are some cases that they will bring to me. They will call me to the office to address it. There are some girls that want to stop prostitution. They will call me to come talk to them. They don't want to accept it. They don't want to stop. Like, they will come and like, can you please come and talk to them? Like, give them the hope. Like, I'm a Nigerian girl. I'm not into prostitution. Like, you know what? So I work with socials.
Your children not get.
And you understand me?
Ask myself,
when that woman walked into your house, Sophia, you said, who are you?
For where I
said that if a Nigerian person
me I know say when you are say man you get passport you get European
if the Nigerian person voice
and you sign
I hear for that
for those children say them be your children.
That was a white woman speaking.
Those children must get
I don't speak German. I don't speak German. I speak French. Because je parle français. So you will see a black person speaking French.
Why not just
when a black person is speaking French, you know this is a black person speaking French. When a white person is speaking French, you know this is a white person speaking French. So when that woman was talking, I clearly heard a white woman speaking.
Also. So because
you can't tell me it's a prank. What? Like,
may we know whether not true say. Now,
so you can't say me it's a prank.
I don't say for France.
You can deceive those. Oh, my boyfriend is calling. Baby, wait. Amarachi, go tell my boyfriend say I did live.
Give the map document.
Go tell her
which is very good and nice.
There's
other country like that not be other Euro country not be so big. You are your own.
Let me tell you.
Don't say you.
You can't tell me that was a prank. Share the live video.
You are your own.
Make on watch it.
You go find your document by yourself.
Facebook.
So it's still good. Now we still they know all these things. Me, I
You
don't
can't
know.
tell
You
me.
understand? Because waiting me no, I know if you just
You can't tell me. Tell him. Share the live video. Give tell me come watch me.
This thing are true. Now so
I'm making him proud on
if the
Facebook.
man get the
Okay,
children
don't
not
tell him for
forget.
me. You can't tell him. Yes, simple. Go and tell him.
But
you can't tell me that was a prank, Mama Nora.
You get as a baby.
I go Instagram now. Go, my baby. Thank you so much. Help me tell.
The children where you born,
me,
where you sign, say now you born them. They not still give them the same thing where you.
You can't tell me that was a prank, Mama Nora. You can't tell me it was a prank. What do you take us for? We are stupid people. We don't know ourselves. No, so tell that to your followers. Tell that to those people who believe in you. Tell that to those women, to those people who believe in you, in your lies. The very first day I know say now life when okay, man. So if I'm lying this night, man, no wake up the next day. The very first day I know say now life when okay, and it baby mama mad. Now when they talk say I say I want to prank, make I say build my page.
As for me,
then I know say this people they lie because they came to me that they want to do prank and. The next thing be say, now me recording, now me ask
depends of the
for
country
prank.
where you did. You understand?
That was when I know like those people are crooks.
The law
if you don't get close to them, you will never know how they lie. You have to get close to them and know the level of liars. They lie so much. These people are typical. Like these people lie a lot. Too much of lies that they said on me.
Because me and they think
that you lying on me
will
will
get your red
passport
for hand.
It's been 3 months now and I'm still here. And I'm waiting for your downfall. Because you will fall.
For you. This is one.
Because you will fall. You will definitely fall.
The children.
In your game. I'm promising that you will fall.
You understand?
See that by taking my name to the children. Taking my name to shrine. You want to kill me. You want to do this. You want to do that.
Say you be
no, you can't do me anything. I say to you people, even if I touch one hair for this hair, then I'm not recording. I don't stand with my mama. I don't stand with anybody. I stand on my own.
That passport, the pikin must still get them.
And when I'm talking, I know what I talk. Forget say me, I did talk anyhow. I too they talk. Now maybe recording. You don't feel hurt me. You know why? Because I stand on my own. I stand by myself. If I die today, believe me, I die on my own.
Why not just
now my death I die. Nobody can touch me. I've been waiting for 3 years. 3 months now. I've been waiting to die.
I say no on the country I do, but not be say
you come out on live video, fool yourself.
For me, I never hear.
Fool yourself. And the next thing
when I hear about
want to talk, say
France,
nah, prank.
say if France is the woman get
Sophia,
paper,
you are
depressed.
You are depressed, and you have to admit that you are depressed for us to help you out. Because if not, I promise to add to your depression.
Now, say Euro country, they are different.
I promise to add to your depression.
If you read this side, like
not by coming to live to come and blab, to come and say rubbish.
So Euro country,
me perigoding, and they work on what I work. My lawyer never contacts when I know me say my lawyer no they do what they do. You understand me so? My lawyer never contacts when I know me say me. I don't know what they do. Ask them.
So I don't understand my people. Which one come they lie for you side? The person
where
they talk say
they are investigating
children
our
don't get
case.
a passport. I'm not gonna lie.
For you to say that I poisoned
because when I hear, I said the year and when
let me come
no.
out on the
I know if you just the year and when
me
I carry on
because my social
and then we talk together.
And now
me I don't know
you come live video today. If I do this live video, I tell them I want to do like
see as it take the work.
I want to reply this woman.
My kids were born in
Nigeria. You know, see why I did live video like that time. My social day down. What thing they bring for me? I'll gladly show you guys.
It is not possible.
This is the book of where I take everything we pay here. I wait till I take go give my own statements.
I make me a say make I bring on. Yeah, this is
you can't. You can't just come and be fooling yourself on social media. Now, Mama Nora came out. Mama Nora came outside to come and cry for help.
Everybody they hear for social media now say like me.
Mama Nora came outside to cry. She came outside to cry for help. All those old women who they support the don't go tell them say it is disgrace to your husband. It's a disgrace to your family. It's not a great disgrace. Sophia,
You
It's
understand?
not a
Like,
disgrace.
if you not marry the woman and
The
they stay
better
together,
you speak out
wetin
for yourself,
concern
the
you,
faster you
as far
speak
say
up,
you sign
the
say
better
now
for
you
you.
born those
Or
children,
else,
e go
my
concern,
sister,
e go see
depression
wetin you
is
sign say
real.
these children are my
If
children.
you
So
die
as far as say you
out of
don sign
depression,
am say they
who will
as they
take care of
born
the
am,
beautiful children?
say now you born,
Like
now
you
born
said,
the
your children are
children.
beautiful, right?
Automatic,
Who will take
the
care of
children
them
go still get
if
wetin
you
you
die
get.
because you are depressed?
It's-
Since you born your children go rich today.
Man is-
Since you born your children go rich today, no peace of mind. Your children never rest. From one
Mona
problem
come, Mona
to
come,
another,
Mona
from one problem to
the
another,
best,
and
yeah?
you want us
Father
to believe
or
that
mother,
you are
then
okay.
document automatic.
You want us to
The
believe that you are
children
okay.
have-
From one problem to another, from
Because
one
now no
problem
say
to
wetin dey
another,
happen for
since you
social
give birth
media.
to your
They say
children,
this
you
one
have
don't get-
never stopped.
no get
No problem.
document.
Oh,
No,
no,
the
okay.
father get
Always on live
passport.
video,
The
causing
children don't
problem.
get. The
Now,
mother get 10 years.
now you
Money,
have the
me,
boldness,
me,
the
me,
courageous. You
me,
have
me,
the
me, I
like
bring
you have the
am, make we see.
mind to come speak
This
out
one
for
na
yourself,
Netherlands,
and they want to shut
So,
you
how
up,
they take
and
they
you
do am for
actually want to
Netherlands?
be
If
shut
the man
up
get passport,
because of
they
what
no
people
give
will
the
say
children.
about you.
Omana be the webo.
You don't want
And the man
people to
get
talk
passport.
about you.
I don't know.
You don't want people
Na
to
my
mock
talk.
you.
Na no
That
say
is the
some
main
children
reason
dey
why
here wey they born
you
for
are
abroad
you are
for years.
covering it
They
up,
no
like
get
you want to
document. Now,
cover
when they
it.
reach 18 years,
I
they
did
go put
nothing
in.
wrong, and
You
it's
know,
a
say
prank. What the hell? What
some
the
still
fuck?
be like that.
What is
Me,
the
I don't know
prank?
about this
Am
one.
I
Me, I
blind?
say,
Am I
why no
deaf?
carry am come
Even if
discuss
I
am?
don't finish school,
Many people
I
dey
know
for
where I know my
dey
level of
for-
education.
for social
But let
media
me
wey
see your
still
video.
know
Thank
pass
you,
me.
sweetheart. Thank
As
you
me
so
no
much, my
still
love.
know, so me go come still get time for essay.
Even if I
See
don't
as
go
you take dey
school,
work.
I know my level of education.
As far
When
as
you
say you be
speak,
European
I sit down and
passport dey
listen.
with you as a man.
I watched your live
children
video from the
automatic,
beginning
they
to
go
the
still get
end.
time.
I didn't drop a comment.
Phone number dey there,
When somebody tagged
phone
me,
number dey there.
when
Plus
somebody
three-
tagged me, I
no be
watched
no be my
script.
and they come wait me I see am.
I go kill you.
Plus
I
3
go
4
kill you, stupid.
6 3
When
1
somebody
4
when
7
like when somebody tagged me on that
2
video,
5
I
2
came
9.
in. I was watching. I was
Is it there?
watching.
May you explain to
I
us.
watched to the end of that video. The same social way
because me I
they
don't know
come
you
your
understand.
house
Maybe
today.
you still there
We want
or
to
you
hear
get
the same
brother or
voice,
sister wey dey
because I
there.
have the voice
When
of
go
the
fit tell when
Call
you fit
her
tell us
and
say
put the phone
this
on her
thing
face
na lie o
for
or
her
this
to
thing
tell
na
us
true
that it was a
eh?
prank.
So the man
The
get
same
passport.
lady,
Hmm?
because she
And you
said
hear am for
we,
social media. The
and you
man
say
get European
you people
passport.
want to come
The
in. You
three
say
children no get.
we want to
Which one
come
be
in.
the truth?
A lot of
The
them
they
came.
get abi they no get.
Go on
Or
live
make
with
they
your
wait.
Sophia.
I don't know.
Bring those
Because
people.
normally,
Bring
when
them.
you get documents, as far as say you sign,
Set your camera.
as
Face
far
it,
as say you
and for
sign,
them
say
to
now
say,
you born those
yes,
children.
we
Wetin
left
you
our
get,
our
they go
work,
still
our
get am.
office to come to
Even
your
though
house
say the
to
woman,
come crack a prank.
you not
with
marry
you.
am, so na just dey together. I know say the woman
You
no
just
go
come
get,
live,
maybe
you
with
just
time.
come they
Through
talk
children,
anyhow.
if you can't give
Just
her, I don't
talk
know.
anyhow. They talk
Or go make
anyhow.
her now. So
Me waste
that one na
don't
my
give you.
number.
No, the phone I said.
E dey for this
let me leave you guys. I'm waiting.
this video. Abi I
I'm
no put
waiting
am.
for me to die.
Be like say I don't put am.
You people
Go
threaten me
marry
with death.
there for this,
You
e there
people
for my
threaten
page
me
for
with
there
a lot of
sef.
things.
Plus
Threaten me
3
with a lot
4
of things. I have the proofs.
plus 3 4
I just stay. I just
6 3 1 4 7
I just stay.
2
I just dey
5
look
2
now.
9 WhatsApp.
Then you come
No
out.
verse, so no be my
Boldly come
no
out.
be my na
Say na
Facebook
prank.
number. So now that one be the number. Make some
You know that
people
she
no
know
na
yourself,
just
Sophia.
call. May we
Like
discuss am, may we
waiting-
talk am. So
waiting
that other
in
people go
UK,
still know.
in UK one
So maybe
give
for
you
know where this thing
where
for
you,
the you
like
know,
do you think because
like
you're
me,
a
I know
single
the
mother
too
you
much
don't
dey
have a
like
life no more?
when person
Do you
dey
think
lie.
because you're a
I
single
know
mother your
I
life is
want the
finished,
truth
it's over
you
for
understand
you?
about this
No,
one. Because you
it's
know
not
some
over
people
for
they know
you.
they understand. Person
People
like
give
me,
birth to
I
5
sit down on the
children
reason
and
and
they
come say
end up getting married to a very rich and wealthy
go get
man.
European passport. Children no get.
People
Maybe na
give
the law.
birth.
Na
People
no say na
give
different
birth.
law na dey. If I
You
still tell you
understand?
say see law wey dey here, na
People
you say no be
give
say e be.
and
E
they
no mean
still
say I dey
end
talk
up-
like na the
they
law
still
wey
end up
dey
marrying a
there.
very
Maybe for
good
the
man.
country where dem dey, na the law wey dey there. I no know. Because if na the law wey dey
They
there, na
still
very
end
bad
up,
law.
they get married
Because
to a
as far as
very
say e
good
sign
and
say na
like
e born those
gets
children,
married to
una must
someone
give them
very
passport.
nice.
The European passport, they must get am.
You
Even though say
can't
the
be
wife say
fooling
they no dey
yourself.
again. Say
Justice
they no
for
marry,
Mama Nora.
but
Mama
the
Nora
children,
need
they must
help.
get am.
Mama
So now
Nora,
this one,
let me
make
tell you
bring am come
something.
and say,
If your depression pass that one,
once and for all,
so don't they come your house?
Then
They will take your children away from you. The better, the faster you pursue a no-get come up for your house and stay with your children. You don't need a no-get. A no-get no they give you money, no they give you anything. You don't need a no-get to take care of your children. I'm advising you.
May we discuss about these things. Even for you,
you're very, very little to me. Compared to me, you are a little person.
For France,
I see you as a child.
Compared
Compared to me.
You know,
I see you as a child. You're not going to give you anything. You're not going to take care of children. Nothing. You said it with your fucking dirty mouth. You're not going to give you anything. Nothing we're not going to give you. Why are you covering me up? Push him out. Push him out from your house.
Because of say the woman get document. Because if you get document,
push him out from your house.
As a woman where you born for,
push that idiot out.
Your pikin go still get. They will give.
Continue being stupid. Continue foolishing yourself with Enioke. Believe me, you will end up as a mad person. So and once you end up as a mad person, Sophia will take your beautiful children away from you. Sit down and think about how you in labor room. Think about how you felt. I don't say you don't value your children. Because when I was even saying your children go do this, your children go do that, may God forbid, you don't even value them. You are still fighting. You don't value them. If you start carrying out for your hand, you don't go still value them. That is the fact, and I will tell you the fact. You follow and you get a fight. You follow and you get a fight. Look at your house. When you turn your back camera, see where the boy back there. I screenshot the part. I will post them later. See where, look at your house where you put children. Be like dog house. Can't even take a broom and sweep your floor. You're on live video making problems, talking up and down, fighting who not fight you. You're on live video fighting up and down with Enioke. Pick up a broom and sweep your house. No,
let's discuss. Let we talk.
You won't pick up a broom and sweep your house. Dirty human being. When you turned your back camera, I was like, whoa, this one is shameless.
That one, I know that one because that one.
Dirty human being like you. A house where you have 3 children. You can keep it clean.
The father get the
what if
pikin
your children
that
be
one
something put for mouth?
This one where we the year for.
Dirty human being. The road was dirty. Everything around the house was dirty. Must you live dirty? Like everywhere we just dirty human being.
And that one be true. Now true I been
they live video. Why tell on live video? Be talking up and down.
But I want person way know. Me talk.
I don't want to be monetized. I don't want it.
Because sometimes we know it's not good.
I don't want it. I don't want it. If I want to be monetized, I have a lot of things I will do.
You know something you talk on.
I have a lot of things I will talk about on Facebook. And people will watch me talk.
True. Like person like me now.
A lot of people I will drag on social media that have been on my DM saying
another
rubbish.
person will still can't tell you another thing.
Monetization is not my problem.
That one, make me
if it is, okay, I will do what I will do. I don't really need just 500 followers to complete this. That is just it. I'm not after social media money or whatsoever. I'm just telling you because I want to talk.
Social media, not be smart.
You can't be depressed and you want to cover up your depression.
All these things where people
with
they do
what
social media,
it was a prank.
Very bad that they see many things don't they fly up and down. They fly up and down.
What kind of dirty prank is that?
I don't understand our people again. More than try. I know say many people like saga
what kind of dirty prank is that? Is that how you guys
sometimes Stay
if you don't chase Enioke out of
especially when
your
they
house,
don't just call you.
You will lose Enioke.
They don't call you.
I'm telling you this.
Later,
Shut they call your house now. Shut don't come your house 2 times.
They call your wife. Don't say why they call my wife. Now you can go call another person's wife.
So don't they come your house now.
They run up
that
and
is
down.
a sign of how they will take collect your speaking for your hand.
Sometimes
I trust them.
If you want talk for something where they not call you put.
I trust
use
government.
your sense.
They will collect your children.
Because when you know you sense, they talk put all those
bad you have chosen to be
then when they ask you, say which one can be your own? Just because I say you want to chook your mouth.
See house where you carry social media enter.
I'll just come and now go chook mouth put in a.
See house where you carry social media enter.
One side, no.
When you turn your back camera,
talk in
I
a
say
way
wow.
When you know, say
wow.
No go.
That was what I said. Wow. When you turn your back camera. I say, wow.
The thing just get up for social media. Our people know
Mama
they
Nora
talk about
those
state
you
again.
People
they know they talk about Nigeria again. Now so saga. The thing tire me, not be small thing.
You people know. Yeah, that is the problem.
Now so they say
you don't know.
You go do this one.
You don't know the meaning of prank.
Now so you know they come. Now today we dey here. Now get audio. Wanna play on WhatsApp.
Show face.
She
show face. And she cost me. When I see her face,
everything go come up for grand. So far
as Enioke, Sophia cost me.
So far if you want to do something, me and they talk for this life. Say if you they do, if you
when I see her face,
you want to do one. You want me, you do one. But if you no want to, I am more.
When I see her face,
some people say juju
as
no.
it costs
They
me
talk and
rich.
say juju
No.
dey. No, why
no,
people
no.
they talk say juju no they do.
You understand?
Because
I was the
lie
only person
too
showing my
much.
face because I don't care.
Lie too much. And some people then they
Forget
think say na
about
everybody.
Inoge wife being so
everybody.
stupid on
Some people
social
they want
media.
more by.
Her family
they see what
is
is
very
what never
responsible.
happened to you before.
You
Go
see
come
her
dey
sister?
happen to you. When
Sister is
can
very, very responsible. Married to a
So
very
sometimes
gentleman.
if you want to do saga, do it with truth.
Apart from a Inoge wife being stupid. That's why sometimes when she wants to say something,
do it with truth.
she
That
don't
person
show
go
her
swear.
face.
When anything
You
where
know
you
why?
believe, goes put. You go
Because
swear
she
put.
knows where she's from. She knows
Where
where she's from. When she do some things.
All these things, Mona stop her. So my people, I get where I
when she do some things, she just like cover up her face to do it.
At all. So if anybody there, if you want to call, you are free to call. If you don't want to call,
Sophia,
leave the number, leave your
forget
opinion
the fact
for
we
them.
have issues.
Let person still know
where
it be truth, where it be lie.
Don't give your children to the
Wetin be
government.
truth,
Don't
wetin
let the
be lie.
government.
As
Don't
for
let
me,
German
if you ask
government
me,
take your children away from you.
A Nigerian man
I have
get
lived
European passport for
in a house whereby
and
they
the
keep
children
I know how
not get
they feel.
documents.
Those
They still
children
they carry passports. They go. Wait I for this one.
You
na
feel
my
the love you
opinion.
give to your
Meaning,
children. You
the
make
children
their hairs.
not being
You take
sign,
you
put
you
in
they
and
snap
you
your
born
children pictures.
You understand?
Once they
No,
day
so when
with
you go for
social,
hospital, you go
those things are
sign.
not valid.
Say you are the father.
The love you
They'll
give
put
to them,
everything, your
social when you
document,
carry
they'll
them,
write everything
cannot give
down.
it to them.
As far as say you sign, say
You
now you be
understand
the
me? So
father of those children.
some of them
Any
beat up
document
those
where the
children without
children
you
need,
seeing them.
it will come from you.
They will
as
beat
a
them
father
up.
wey get that
You won't
document.
know.
Now everything where you get, now they go still give
Don't
those children.
let
I know they
anybody
talk
take
about
away your
maybe
children
the
from you
wife,
because
the
of
woman
one
wey
man.
born those children. As far as say you sign,
Like what you said.
as far as say
Now
you
one
don't
man
sign,
you born your pikin
they will
for.
give those
I'm
children
proud of you.
documents.
You know it's to born
I
for
don't
one
know
man
for
because
another
you-
country. If you ask me,
You don't born
I'll
for
come
one
ask
man.
una.
You're three
Yes,
beautiful
if you ask me,
daughters.
why I go ask?
Take care
Let
of
me
them.
come ask una. Say,
Don't
if you dey
give
for
them
that
out.
country, now truth, this thing or no be truth. So my
Don't
people,
give.
I not too much
I don't want
get
to know
time
what
like
caused
that.
the fight.
They don't go somewhere.
Don't give. Don't give your
Write
children
your
out.
own, put them for there. You
Don't give your
understand?
children out
Just put your
to the
opinion.
government.
Problem not there. Then we'll look at later.
If you do
See,
that, I would tell
whether
you
because
you have
me I
failed
not there
as
for
a
the
mother.
country where I
One
not
of the
there. I
reasons
don't know
why,
what they do for them.
no matter how you
don't
try to
say
bring me
na
down,
Euro
I'm
country,
still proud
na
of
the
myself
same
talking
money,
about Yvonne,
the same
because I
money
was there for
everybody
her
they
till
use.
the
But
end.
not be
Social
the
took
same
everything.
law. Some law
Till
where
the
they
end, she was there with me.
for this side, you know.
So if you
for the
give
other
out
side.
your
you still
children
go see say
to
now
the
this
social,
side next still good part the other
okay?
side, or
You
that
have
depends
failed
of the
as a
law
mother.
where they. Because you know me say na Euro country na the same thing na they do.
You have failed
their
as
own
a
law.
mother.
Like
A
some
mother,
country now, even though
you
say
are
you
as
with
a
woman
mother,
not
you're
married,
supposed to
una be
guide and protect your children.
convivente, staying
As
together.
a mother,
Automatic,
you're
it go
supposed
dey,
to
it
guide
go be, it
and
go,
protect
it go
your
just,
children.
it go be
Don't
say,
give your children to the
or
social.
una be wife, husband and wife.
No
And
matter
so some countries
how
still dey-
desperate
still
you
dey do am.
are
But for
in
Italy,
being with a
even though some
man,
na stay 100
you said
years,
something on your
you
live
no
video,
be
say,
wife,
if
you
a no
still
get
be
do bad, you
convivent.
push them out.
And you still be stay
No
together.
cover in no get out.
You understand?
No
And so it
cover,
still
no
be.
cover in no gays because
Some
of
countries
say
still dey.
waiting people go talk
Maybe
about
you with
me.
man,
Wetin people go talk, and people say
they
they drink
the
poison.
wife they together.
Waiting people go talk.
As I take
Then they
talk
say they drink
e
poison.
no too get
I
right
almost did that.
for the husband.
Waiting
As far as say they
people
not
go
married,
talk.
e no get right 100% for the man.
Calm
And
down.
so the man not still get.
Drink water.
But when you
Look at
some
your
countries they
children.
go say okay you
Look
be
at the way you carry your
you
pikin.
be
You rub your
stay
pikin hair.
together
Sophia,
go where
the fact
you
I'm
can
laughing
sign
at that
these
video
documents. You
does not mean
understand?
I'm laughing.
Why some countries they not they
I
allow
felt-
and they say
I
no
felt the
because
love
they don't
of a
know you
mother.
as a husband
I
or as a wife.
felt your pain.
So different
Carry
things
your
they
pikin,
happen for Europe, my
rub am
people.
say,
Really,
you
different
talk to the
things
other
they
one,
happen
say,
for
make you
Europe,
sit down.
which is good. Sometimes they
Record
they
that
talk
part.
about
I
these
swear to
things.
God, I'm not trying to be good here.
Some people will not know about this thing. They'll come still know. Say okay, now so it still be.
I'm not
The one
trying
when
to
me
be a
still
good
know, I go
person
still push
here.
and come and say.
I'm
Now
trying to
so
tell
it
you
be,
how I
oh,
feel
not be
when
so
I was
it be.
watching
You
those
understand?
videos.
It's like one
Stop
day.
trying to play. Stop trying to play this trick of
when I talk about
I am.
marriage.
It's a
I know
prank.
say some people
We
this
know.
marriage of 18 when
We
they
know
do
it's
for
not a
common
prank.
for court.
Let's
Some people
go
don't
video.
know the
You
difference
have a platform now, like you
between
say, you want to be making money on social media. You
this
have
thing
your
and they for
platform
there,
now.
then they see
Let's go
the
of
one
that
of
guy.
50-50.
Let's go of him.
Why another one
He has
say
nothing
wey be
to offer to
your
you.
own and your
Let's
own,
go
my
of
own
him.
and my own, you know?
Let's
Some
go
people
of
don't
him.
still know about these things. Some people, they will say they're married, they don't know the kind of marriage they do.
Of your 3
because
kids,
they just go
and
there,
you
go
expect
sign, I
the
want
German
marriage, yes, I
government
do,
to
finish
sit
and
back
comot.
and watch.
But they don't know the one
if you give out your children,
you know?
if your
so
children
I still talk
end
about
up where they're
time.
not supposed to end up
Don't take
with
that
the
time they
social,
do audio that time.
believe me,
when some people come, they ask me, say,
you are
because
going
you know,
to be
say this marriage of 18,
I will
sometimes you
drag
don't know with the
you.
talker. You get
And
one
a lot of
person where I
people
know
will
that
drag
time,
you.
don't say.
And me, Perry, go
That person married to
I
a white
promise
man.
to drag you.
The person do marriage, he do for court.
I promise
you
to
understand?
drag
When you do the marriage, you don't know the one way you do.
for your hand.
So when he leave the
Never let them happen.
the man, you can't
Protect your
expect
children.
say
I'm
the man,
challenging
you know,
you now.
say when person say,
telling
since
you.
we don't marry,
Challenging you now to protect your
anything
children.
the something
Because
where
if
you
Social
get, now
carry
you
your
get
children for your
am.
hand,
You don't know say
I will drag you.
oh girlfriend.
I promise
So
you.
when
I will
they reach
drag
the
you.
time where they want say
when you
you go
commit
your own, me I go
suicide,
your own, the woman come and tell say no,
when you go
I will
take
carry you go
something,
court.
you drink and
The thing where you get,
because that is a promise.
we
I'm
must
giving
cut
you.
it
I'm
to
making
two.
this promise to
Or
you.
you must give me everything.
your
I
pen
go
and
throw
paper
away
and
you
write
for
it.
outside. You
That
don't know say
Perry
the
said
kind marriage
she
where
will
you marry,
drag you.
not be that one. And the man fair get
Look at how you look. You
things.
look like a mad person.
Yeah, you quickly
Social
talk this one, then I
always,
drop me and go.
you always when you come
if
on
you
live
marry
video to talk,
for this
when you are
common
your makeup, you still look like a
court
mad person.
marriage.
Because
Now all
you don't
over,
have
you
peace
understand?
of mind.
Even though say na Nigeria you for marry, even though say na abroad though,
You don't have
very
any
strong,
peace of mind.
powerful
You've been worried.
marriage.
You've been
This
depressed.
court marriage, you
Since
understand?
you
Very
gave birth
strong,
to your
powerful.
children.
That makes some people
That
they
don't
wrong.
reply me.
They don't want to
Reply me,
one
reply
because
me.
waiting they follow a
Let's-
big
that
way.
don't-
If you
let's
want
just
marry,
go
then go
this.
ask
Something.
you which type of how they come.
You don't even have
Which type
any
you
good
want
thing.
to?
No good
You
clothes,
understand?
no good hair,
50-50
nothing.
oh.
I understand you're a mother.
50-50 oh.
You
Meaning
you're
the
trying
very
to,
day
like,
when you say
know,
yes I do,
but
anything where your husband get from that very day.
if you have good,
na
if
two
you
of
have
una,
rest of mind,
or you,
even
na
if
two
you
of
want
una, na
to
you go dey share am.
clothes, put them for
But
body.
wetin your husband don first
People
get
will
before,
respect you. That cloth
assuming
will
me I do am
fit
like this,
you.
assuming
You
you
wear
say
it
your
with
husband first get
confidence.
house,
Because you have rest of
your
mind.
husband first get house, una come do marriage, una
Test
come do
peace of mind for
50-50
one, because
marriage.
you can't.
You are not
You know
inside
he's
that
on live
marriage.
video.
You
Every
understand? You're not there for
fucking
inside that marriage.
Every fucking
Because
day
he
of
don't
his
get
life,
am
he's on
before he
live video.
married you.
And you
You
want us to
understand?
be
Don't
that you're
get am
happy.
before he marry you. Maybe if you do marriage, may I say
You
today
want
you
us
with
to
your husband
believe
do
that
marriage
you are
today,
happy.
and tomorrow your husband can't
You
go
want us to
buy
be like,
house.
you can't fool us.
That
You
house,
can't,
now two of
you know
una
what?
get am,
You
na
can
50-50,
fool
if
the
na do
rest of these people
50-50
doing.
oh.
I am
But if
not a
una do and say
presenter.
now your
You
own
guys
be
will
your own,
listen
my own
to
be
me.
my own. You
I
as a
am
woman
not a
or you
social
as a
media
man,
presenter.
you not
I see
enter
something that is
inside.
not going on. That is
So
going
these things,
wrong,
some people not too
going
much
right.
understand that. If you want to do marriage,
say it.
still they ask where say. Do not understand that, make them tell you.
I am not
Some
a
people,
presenter.
especially
not
some of
a
our
don't
women
even
when
plan
they
to be
marry
a
to
presenter.
Igbo, they know they
I
understand
see
this
something
thing.
I
Go
don't
say I
like.
do marriage,
This
but
is
they
not
don't know the
going
type
on.
of marriage
I will
we
talk
do.
about it.
You understand? It good make you ask where say which type of
Unless I'm
marriage.
fighting with someone.
It's still good for one
person.
side say
But
may
no.
you marry your own and your own, my own and my own.
I don't want.
Depends on the man where you want to marry. You understand?
I don't know how much to pay on Instagram. I don't know how much they want to pay or something. But I am not.
Your own and your own, my own
I
and my
love
own,
to make my
because
money.
you know, when
I
you
woke
give,
up in the morning, I go to work. That is enough
be
for
only
me.
different.
Okay.
So sometimes it's good when we still
But
they
I'm
talk to
telling you,
ourselves. May
if
you
you
not go
feel the rest of these people
fall
that's
for
God accept
victim.
later, but you
When
can't
some women they'll do marriage, say 50-50.
You can't fool me.
Maybe the husband go carry money.
can't
Later
fool
they'll
me.
call
The last
divorce.
person you can fool.
When they divorce,
You are
you go still they
depressed,
pay
my
that
darling.
money
You are
where your husband. You
so
understand? You go still they pay
depressed.
because now for the law.
Speak out
Now
for
waiting you
yourself.
sign say anything
Don't be
where
ashamed to
concern
speak
your
out.
husband, I go concern you. Now so the man say
Depression is
anything
real.
where concern my wife, it goes concern. Now it concern. You'll see some people they'll say
Depression is
they
real.
go
Miss
marry,
Promise,
can't
who
leave the
go kill you?
husband.
No get topic go kill you.
The money where the
You're a very
husband
stupid
carry,
human being to
now
say
she
that.
can't they pay.
Because it
Now
doesn't
so
mean for
it
life
be,
you contact
and the
when you
marriage
get
way
topic
do.
for a very long time.
Because
now.
if you not
God
marry
will kill you. God
50-50,
will
nobody go
definitely
fit
punish
put
you. Bastard.
something for your head, say you must pay.
Idiot. Come on,
And
get
because
out
you
from my
say you
life.
sign
Go
and
fuck
say
yourself.
yes, and this one now I want to do.
Go fuck
When you
yourself.
do
Don't
one,
talk to me.
you still get
You
another
wait.
effect
You
from
get
back.
size.
So many of us we don't
So in
know
your
these
case,
things. Like me,
Since you have
I know
refused to be a father to your children,
before I say yes I do. I be that
it's a
kind
pity the way
person
God
where
gives
they
children to
watch
those useless people.
you get this program where they
Understand?
call
It's a pity the way God just because person don't do actually
they call
once settled and God will just give them picture.
4 of them.
It's a
They
pity.
do one forensic
The way
work
we
for
say,
that time.
God know
I
the
dey
sixth
watch
person
am
want to
well.
be mother.
Now something of law.
God just dey
You
keep
understand?
picking
I
them
dey
now
watch
because
am
he's
all the
merciful
time.
God.
Anything of law that they do am for there. So me, me, my brain, yeah, why you brain me wake you to I sit down, they
matter
wash,
how
they put everything for
I'm on
inside.
live video.
Now so it
No
still
matter
be
how I talk on live video.
if
I still
you
get
as a
affirmation
woman
the
say you
next day.
marry, even though say na 50-50, even though say na you na your my own na my
I'm
own,
not a fan.
say you marry, say
feel
maybe
bad.
your husband, your mama leave
So be sincere
something.
with you all.
As a woman or as a man, you not there for his side. Anything where they live for their pikin, now their pikin, you will not feel
telling
divide
you
with
guys
them.
this thing because that is how I feel. I'm speaking my mind.
You understand?
You are not a parent for your children. That is when some people attack me
you sure?
for Yvonne, I feel bad because I know what
Jessica.
I know who I was then. There was a mother. A mother.
You understand? So now, so it be if the children,
These children have suffered
don't
enough.
have residence with their father.
They don't have rest. Let those children rest.
They do not have the same son.
Let these children rest. They need rest.
Thank you.
That is all.
God will bless you. You understand?
They want peace of mind.
Thank you,
Be a mother to your children. I know
Jessica.
you love your children so
Thank
much,
you.
guys.
Because this one let me still know. If you don't get the same son name,
I know when someone is
that means the man, if the man not sign, say na him get those children. Now not say some women they born. You know put the son name of the husband. You go put maybe you. So they do. I don't know why. Why did they do?
I was showing a no video to my boyfriend.
What do you write this? What do you write now?
My boyfriend said, "For this boy,
God will bless you." Now my break won't go that side. Because some women they do, they go no say now this man born for, but they go put their own son name. You see they happen. Now truth, you go put your son name. Then later, when the man go come get document, come get passport, he no fit come give those children. Not true. You are right because the woman don't put his son name. But if he still change Abi,
you pick up your
if he still change his son name Abi, I don't know. Yeah, they do because if he still change and say that time I want now my son name now I want make my children the answer. Now I want to come tell una say see their father. I don't know. My wife they talk.
I was thinking I was doing the right thing.
If you still change am because I know say you fit change the son name. If you change your son name. Then the man will come sign.
I found out that
then if you put the name
because
of the children benefits.
Yes, I was not okay. If I'm in my right senses, I won't do that.
You see this thing when you talk, say brain and tell you don't anyway. If they not have, now that one I feel say if they not have, if the man not sign, say now you get that because if the man not sign, you know the children not fit get the son name. That one not true because when you sign, and you dey sign say the pikin where this woman born for you, now your children and they be.
As a woman supporting woman, but I invest for you say you come as conducting a prank. What all of us see.
I know that one not true. That one not for the country when they give help. Not be lie. Now true. So people they do to get and now I matter no. They not think about the waiting go happen. You know, say sometimes specific they together, paper never come. He don't born. He don't already put his son name because some children they where they answer their mother's son name. When not they answer the real father. When the real father will come get paper.